Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Keeping Up with Coins. So today we will be exploring this tiny coin from Argentina known as one centavo. Now you know that Argentina is a country in southern American continent, and Argentina is very famous for its football team and culture. So this is the coin from Argentina, and the money that is used in Argentina is called peso. So this is one centavo, which is 1/100th part of a cent peso. So it's like 1 paisa of a Indian rupee. So this is the 1 centavo coin of Argentina. So these coins were used to be minted in Argentina between 1993 to 2000. So this kind of pattern they used between 1993 to 2000. It was a standard circulation coin used for any kind of daily buying and selling of things. So this coin is actually made up of bronze metal and is having a weight of 2 grams. So the diameter of this coin is 16.2 millimeter. That's like around 1.62 centimeters. And this coin is having a thickness of, you can see clearly, this coin is having a thickness of around 1.35 millimeters. So this coin is also having a coin alignment. So if you don't know what is a coin alignment, I have explained it in my previous videos what is a coin alignment. Like you can see, if you turn this like this, it's in the other way. So I keep this coin like this, I turn it like this, so it is like in the downward position. So this coin is having a coin alignment. As I said, this is, as you can see here, this coin is issued in the year 1998. So this is an interesting coin of Argentina. Now let's look into the features of this particular coin. So in the upper side, if you are looking very closely in the obverse of this Argentinian coin, you can see that there is a 4 line written here. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Yes, you can see that there is 4 lines written in, which is En Union y Liberated Republica Argentina. So which basically means that Argentinian Republic in Union and Liberty. That's like their motto and everything. And below that there is a wreath. So this flower design like this is called wreath. And in the opposite side, if you are looking, it's a very simple design which is written 1 centavo 1998. So this is one interesting coin of Argentina. And if you are looking on the edges of this coin, you can see there is like line. So this kind of edges are called reed edge. So this is another interesting coin from Argentina. And if you have this coin with you, do let me know through the comments. And if you like today's video and want to get more videos like this, do subscribe to this YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the daily notification. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. With till meeting with a different coin. Bye bye, tata.